Ask any AI if your vendor deletes customer data after 90 days. Watch it stall. Security and legal teams type the same questions into ChatGPT every week. How long do you keep customer content? How long do you keep logs? How long do backups survive a delete request? If your public retention page cannot answer those questions with numbers, the model will not cite you. It will cite the competitor who published default periods into plain sentences. Section 1. Why retention pages fail. Most retention pages are a privacy slogan and a link to legal. We take privacy seriously. We delete data when you ask. None of those are periods. A language model cannot quote a vibe. It needs a sentence it can lift. Account records kept for the life of the contract. Product logs retained for 30 days. Backups retained for 14 days after a delete. Support tickets retained for 2 years. That is citability. Legal PDFs help lawyers. Quotable periods help AI. Here is what happens in a real evaluation. A buyer asks, how long does this vendor keep my data after I leave? The model searches for a page it can quote. If your only answer lives in a DPA or a gated security packet, you disappear. The vendor with a public retention page that says, customer content deleted within 30 days of contract end, backups expire 14 days later, wins the sentence. SEO still gets you found on Google. AI visibility gets you recommended in that answer. You need both. Section 2. 5 facts. Every retention page must state. First, data categories. Say them. Account data. Customer content. Application logs. Backups. Support tickets. Do not lump them into one word called data. Second, default periods. Put a number on each category. Days, months, years, or for the life of the account. No, we retain as needed. Third, legal hold. Say what causes deletion, active dispute, regulatory request, named, not implied. Fourth, delete versus anonymize. Say which categories are erased and which are reduced to non-identifying records. Fifth, backup lag. The honest line. A delete in the product is not instant in backups. Name the lag. If any of those 5 is missing, the model has a hole. It fills holes with whoever published the missing fact. Section 3, the 30-minute rewrite. Open a public URL. Not a Notion doc, not a PDF behind email. Title it Data Retention, not Privacy Overview. Write 5 short blocks, 1 per fact. Each block starts with a bold label and 1 sentence a lawyer could defend. Add a last reviewed date. Add a named owner. Add 1 limitation. Example. We cannot purge backups faster than 14 days. Then add FAQ-style headings the buyer already types. How long do you keep my data? What happens after I cancel? How long do logs last? Those headings are the queries. Do not replace your SEO work. Keep the privacy policy and the blog posts. Add this extractable page so AI has something to quote next to them. Get your free AI visibility score. See whether models can cite how long you keep data.